It's Christmas time already and Raphael is opening his presents. It's actually 24th of December and it's 2 hours away before 1.5 hours away before midnight, and Raphael's on his third present. What is that, Raphael? Keep hearing you say wow. What is that, love? Let me see. What's that? What are those? Wow! More. You got some more. Under the Christmas tree. Oh, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Good job. Wow, love, love.
Come here, Pa.
It's alright, Rafa.
Here.
Don't throw away the ribbons. We're gonna recycle them. Wow, you're so happy. You like it, love?
Yep.
Yep.
Wow, nice.
Wow, nice. Good job. You're on your 1, 2, 3, 4th present, and you have 3 more to go. Let me see. 3 more presents to go. 2 small ones and 1 big one up there. We're just gonna take a picture later. Alright? You like it, love, love? Merry Christmas, Raphael! Merry Christmas, Baba! Love you! What are you gonna say?
Thank you, Mommy.
And thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Love you!
Wow, nice.
Wow, nice again. What are those? What's that? Let me see, let me see.
Peekaboo, Mommy.
Purple car. Good job.
Peekaboo.
Red car. You like, Baba, you like?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Wow, purple and green car. You're so happy, huh? Wow, you have plenty of Hot Wheels again.
Daddy.
Wow, you're so happy, huh? Good job, because you're a good boy. You were a nice boy. Yeah, you got your tools, many tools. Handy manny.
Money.
Handy manny, yes. Tools.
Money.
Yeah, good job, Baba. You like it, huh? Okay, you say good night na, huh?